Dr. Joshua Solomon. I'm a pediatric dentist in Livermore and Tracy, California. I've been in practice for 16 years. And in my main practice, I have large staff. We usually will have 6 to 8 assistants at one time. And we bring on staff to our practice, typically that come in with a lot of experience. We've got great benefits. Some of my staff members are making, into the mid or higher 30s, $30 an hour. So when I was asked about having a candidate come from the Indigo School, I was a little trepidatious, but we've had amazing success with Hannah, who came from the school. We actually wound up hiring her right after her training period. Hannah came in just extremely motivated. She knew all the instrumentation. She was comfortable with procedures. She hopped right in, and she's been assisting everything from large aesthetic dentistry cases as of yesterday to general anesthesia. And I just could not ask for a better candidate for my office. And as I said, we typically don't bring in people that are new just because I want people are established with our practice to start, but I've been nothing but happy. And I hope in the future that we can have another candidate come through. And I'm sure that anyone coming from the school is going to be as well trained as she is. So I wish you all luck in your future careers.